I have is having multiple locations. Okay, I have one in Mumbai, I may have one in Singapore also, because tomorrow if the entire Mumbai any issue comes, that setup should automatically come from Singapore and setup. Okay, however, yeah,
Basically they set for DR, right? If Mumbai went
correct,
down, even
correct,
AWS suggested that to having your application in
but
different
you are
regions.
correct,
Yeah, yeah. I
absolutely.
mean, for the disaster
But
recovery, like, yeah, you're right.
yeah,
Like, which
but
you,
Ashok, answering to your actually core issue is see, basically AWS started with, I think, North Virginia first. So any new service which comes is actually affected from your North Virginia.
no.
Okay, and then it has been then it will replicate to all the region. So very actually very good and very valid point. I think you have done a lot of homework before. So to ask this question also. Okay, that is very valid question actually.
No, I mean, there is no price difference, right? Like, if I choose, like, any data center, the price, whatever it is, like, going to be the same. Even if even if I compromise on latency, the price
Okay.
is not going to change anything, right?
Yeah, so they again, that depends upon the what kind of services are they are offering in, because if you go to North Virginia, there are a lot of traffic, and Amazon is using a lot of EC2 instance. Okay, because that was one of the first starting point. Okay, Suresh, correct me here if I am wrong. So the
So
pricing part remains. Yeah, go ahead.
pricing part will be the different because
Mhm.
we in North Virginia we have a 6 data center.
Correct.
Okay, so in Mumbai we have it to 3 data center. Current recently they added one data center more.
Mhm.
Okay, so based on their on-demand services, they have a price
Correct.
for different
Correct.
geolocations.
Yeah, no, you got it. I mean, yeah, there is a price difference. I mean, it is not a common that, like, you can choose, like, whatever it is. So it's a better to,
No,
like, it's better to reduce our cost. Like, it's better to use as per the geolocation,
Absolutely.
whichever is, like, closer to us.
Correct.
yeah,
Correct.
absolutely
Correct.
right.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
think these all points will be covered in billing, right? Billing topic.
Correct, correct. Billing topic, as well as how do you actually, or cost optimization.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
Thank you,
because that's
Suresh. Yeah, Sean.
yeah,
Yeah, thanks for your answers. Yeah.
yeah. So now we will actually try to connect that machine. Okay, so every machine that you comes is with a public IP and a private IP. Okay, so you're able to see my screen, right?
Hmm.
So it is actually connected through your key. So I have a key which is key one. I'm actually connecting here. Okay, so usually if you see the extension is ppk. Okay, because this is a very standard way of, since we connect most of our machine through putty windows, so we use ppk. Okay, but if I have a Linux box and I am connecting to this Linux box, then it is actually through pem file. Okay, so you are back. Okay, so now you can see you are back to your prompt now. Okay, so if I click here something like connect, it gives me the information. Okay, how do I want to connect? Okay, tomorrow if I don't know how to connect, then it gives you to access open SSH, or if you are using this thing like from your Linux box, then use this pem file, and how you want to connect is how you can connect. So it is very simple, straightforward. So in our demo mostly we use EC2 instance only, because if I start telling you about VPC, or if I start telling you about IAM role and all, it confuses the user, it confuses the student or person who is running, right? So to make him understand that it is easy to learn, okay, so that he'll be inspired to learn more, so then we go for EC2. Okay,
So this is demo class or class?
no, this is a demo class only, sir.
Oh, it's not actual
Okay.
class.
No, it is not actual class, because I have been told that you people have some doubts, you want to see some demo one more time, because I think the last time Kumar took, and today Suresh was about to take, but I have replaced. We have come here to answer your queries. So if you have anything, they said you want to see some demo and you have questions, so we actually came here. So once you are able to get what we are telling, right? So far.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yes, yes.
we are fine.
Yeah.
And one more thing, Sham, can
Sham here.
you
Sham and
provide
Suresh.
that, Suresh, Sham or Suresh, can you provide the dump like each chapter wise, like EC2, these are the questions expected,
For the
S3, these are the
certification.
questions expected, VPC, these are the questions expected, so that if we go through the questions also before the classes, if we have the
Okay.
time, Saturday, Sundays, so that
Okay.
we will know what we need to ask in the exam, sorry, in the training class, and also we will see more focus on the when we are training, getting the hands dirty.
Correct. Correct. So Suresh, we have anything like that?
Yeah, Chandra. See, before going to topic, you can do some homework and come and ask some question, right? Before that, how can we provide the questions? It is not a good practice to give the question and answer your question, right? If you come
No,
with
no,
your
no,
doubt,
No, no.
we
I
will
think
help
his
no.
you.
question is different. No. His question is different. His question is for certification point of view. We
Okay,
will
okay.
be okay. So we can actually not a problem. We can do it. Okay.
So at least if you take like ECT instance, so maybe there may be 100 questions or 200 questions or 500 questions. So if you glance what kind of questions it is there, then it's when you are reading, then your mind and your knowledge will focus where actual the stress is there in the examination.
Correct.
So that way you can learn more and you can practice more.
Okay, we cannot
Yeah, some.
guarantee that certification 100%, but we will discuss. We can actually, discuss on the what do you say? Whatever the questions are there, we can always discuss, and we can always help you in preparing. You got my point, right? So,
No,
do
discussing one or two points that maybe each topic you can discuss, but if you
correct,
give that, we are going to join and we are paying the fee also, initially itself.
correct, correct,
So yeah,
correct,
providing that before and after that will not make any difference for you.
correct. So now
That
you come again. Actually, what your expectation is? You want questions, right? Basing on one topic, you want certification questions. Correct, if I
yeah,
understand you correctly.
certification dumps. Yeah,
Oh, okay. All right, yeah. I think that can be done. Uh, Chandra, that can be done. However, I will have a word with my team members and team lead. Okay. So,
okay.
and we can do that. Not a problem. That is not a big deal, actually. Yeah.
When the actual class will start, what is the timing and
We will let you
how
know.
what is like, is it weekend class as Ashok asked, or weekday class, how you are
So
going to organize this?
when is your convenient timing? I mean, both of you are working professional, right? Ashok and you. So, what is your actually convenient timing? Basing on that, we will actually, we can also align. So with the other whatever we are batches we are taking, we can align. We can have you two guys now in one session or something like that. So you tell me your flexible timing, then we can actually will figure it out. So are you
Yeah, this
comfortable
is
in
the
weekends?
yeah, we are comfortable most of the time, but sometimes
Hmm.
we may not available.
Weekends or weekdays? You tell me when is your actually availability. Basing on that, we will see if we can get somebody.
Yeah, for me, weekdays works well, Sham. Like,
Okay. So
weekends,
morning,
like,
evening.
the summer is
Yep.
going to be, only 4 months for me here. Like,